Good day, everyone. Welcome to this episode of our trade recap series. Don't worry, I did not forget. We're gonna keep doing this, and let's get straight to today's recap. Not much happened today. We did take two trades, but on a low bookmap volume day, such as Monday, it's hard. It's harder than the other days. Let's keep it at that. But we did end up taking a loss today, which is okay, and we could have prevented that as well. So let's take a look into what happened today. Okay, so first trade of the day, you wanted to take a long around here, targeting the bookmap highs, which are somewhere around here. Why did we do this? Well, first of all, we entered a nice fair value gap. We entered a nice fair value gap over here, and we also created this mini trend which I wanted to see break. And what happened? We broke this trend, and from that level I actually wanted to take the long and continue it to the bookmap liquidity, which is above. Additionally, on the 15 minute, I believe, yes, on the 15 minute, there was a zone that was created, same with the 30 minute. So we touched the zone and the fair value gap, and there's liquidity above, and it fits within the V2 level. So we had a really good amount of confluences there to make this trade work out. But the one thing we did not have was actual liquidity on bookmap, and that's the thing with Mondays. On Monday, there's not much liquidity on the markets itself, and especially on bookmap itself, it's hard to make viable predictions without much liquidity. And in this case, we did not see much liquidity actually up there, and because of that, there was not enough motive to move the market up. But that's okay. We learned more about the overall market sentiment for the day after taking a loss from this trade. Now, we could have made back the loss and made more because of this win, but unfortunately we did not. So let's take a look into what happened over here. So in this trade, what happened? We started seeing the breakthrough that occurred from the invalidation of the previous trade, right? We saw this big sell down and expansion, and what that did was it left a nice fair value gap right there. So when price started coming back up and then started stalling and leaving these wicks below on bookmap, it was kind of iffy. It was hard to tell whether we're gonna break this fair value gap or continue lower. But what really solidified the lower movement for me was this break of structure of this candle wick, and then a small retracement back up where we entered. Now we entered there and we wanted to target ES bookmap liquidity, or at least this level right here, these lows. And if we did that, we would basically be break even on the day. But what happened was we started seeing this sell-off occur, and we wanted to capture break even really quickly, but we didn't see that happen. So we kept moving our stop loss down and down and down until eventually we had to take profit right here. We had to take profit right here because we kept moving our stops down. We did not have to do this because we did create a fair value gap here, which provides additional motive to continue moving the market down. This trade could have even continued down to there where we did have our ES liquidity level marked out. So there was a lot of profits on this table in which we left off, but the overall trade idea was good, which I'm proud of. So only thing is, we need to stop letting greed take over and fear take over as traders, because greed and fear and FOMO are one of the main things that results in good trades leaving profits on the tables, or trades not going well because you're fearing of missing out the proper thing. Now, that's basically it for today. If you guys have any questions or want to learn about how we take trades on a day-to-day basis, please join the Discord, which is in the link in the description below, or leave a comment down below. I'll try getting your questions answered. Additionally, Right now, I see a decent trade coming up to play. Looking at current bookmap, just wanted to point this out with bookmap liquidity level as well. So it's not bad at all. I think potentially we may see shorts coming down from here, going down until 7.5. Just looking at bookmap. So maybe if you want, no financial advice, but take a short and target the lows. Let's see how that plays out. All right, I'm leaving it off with that. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and day after tomorrow is a crash course release. I'll see you guys. Bye.